Greetings. I am Charles Darwin. Perhaps you know me as the man who dared to suggest that all living beings, from the humblest insect to the tallest tree, share a common ancestry. But my work was not merely about the past. It was about life itself, and how it continues to shape the world around you. You may think evolution belongs only to the dusty pages of history. Yet the processes I observed in my studies on the Galapagos Islands in finches and tortoises are alive in every corner of the modern world. I observed that species vary. No two individuals are exactly alike. Some variations provide an advantage in the struggle for existence. I called this process natural selection. Those with advantageous traits survive, reproduce, and pass those traits to their offspring. Consider, if you will, bacteria. In your hospitals and laboratories, bacteria face antibiotics. The survivors are those that carry mutations allowing them to endure. This is evolution, my principle, happening before your eyes, minute by minute. Do you see? Evolution is not slow, it is constant, and it can happen faster than you imagine when life is challenged. In my day, I noted the differences in finch beaks suited to the food available on each island. Today, you can witness similar adaptations in your cities. Pigeons navigating skyscrapers, raccoons opening garbage bins. They are small yet striking examples of the same principle. Life adjusts to its environment, for survival is the ultimate law. And humans too are evolving. Some populations have developed lactose tolerance, others show resistance to diseases once fatal. Evolution does not sleep, nor does it end with history. When I wrote On the Origin of Species, I could not see the mechanisms hidden in the cells. I knew traits were inherited, but the method remained a mystery. Today, scientists have discovered DNA, the very code of life. And with tools like CRISPR, they can edit genes. Imagine if I had known of this power. Yet the principle remains unchanged. Those organisms best suited to survive continue. Those less suited do not. The language of life, its letters, its sequences, simply reveals the mechanisms I inferred. What might your species' DNA reveal about your future adaptations? Which traits will thrive and which will fade? Some ask, are humans still evolving? Indeed. Your species faces challenges unknown in my time. Pandemics, climate change, urbanization. These pressures shape you, subtly but continuously. High-altitude populations like those in the Himalayas have adapted to low oxygen. Certain communities are more resistant to malaria. Evolution is not a relic. It is an ongoing experiment written in your very cells. If evolution is happening in your lifetime, how might your children differ from you? What traits will the world favor in 100 years? Every challenge to life is an opportunity for evolution to act. I saw finches adapt to limited seeds. Today, bacteria evolved to resist antibiotics. Insects survive chemical pesticides. Evolution is relentless, and it responds to the pressures of survival. It is a powerful lesson. Adaptation is not optional. It is life's strategy for continuity. Understanding evolution is not merely academic. It informs medicine, agriculture, and conservation. To fight antibiotic resistance, to breed resilient crops, to save endangered species, one must see the world through the lens of evolution. Evolution explains the past, illuminates the present, and predicts the future. Those who ignore it, ignore the very engine of life. Ask yourself, what pressures is your environment placing on life today? And how will nature respond? I wrote about variation, struggle, and natural selection to explain the diversity of life. Today, you see that the same principles govern life on every scale, from the microscopic to the global. Evolution is not distant history. It is your companion every moment, shaping every species, including your own. Remember this: the story of life is unfinished. Each new mutation, each environmental shift continues the narrative I began. Observe closely, and you will see evolution in motion. If this inspired you, consider exploring my writings, modern genetic studies, and observe the natural world around you. Share your discoveries and always stay curious.